Hello. Today, I'll show you the easiest way to remove a watermark in just 30 seconds. First, open canva.com. Create a new page. Drag in the image that contains the watermark. Then click on the image and go to Edit. Click on the Magic Eraser tool. As you can see, we now have a brush. You can adjust its size using this slider. Now, select the watermark you want to remove. Then click the Erase button. Wait a few seconds. As you can see, the watermark has been removed. Let's try it with other images. As you can see, we get the same result. You can even remove text or other unwanted objects from an image. I hope you give this a try and enjoy the results. By the way, all the images used in this video were generated with AI. In future videos, I'll show you how to generate AI images for free. So hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video.